Hi, I'm Justin Ball, founder of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm excited to share with you Gillian, the metal filtered shower head. Truly a one-of-a-kind product. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the features of it. Let's get into it. So, like everything HammerHead, Gillian is solid metal. The shower head is made from 304 stainless steel. The housing is made from solid lead-free brass, and it's built to last. We do use silicone nozzles as they provide great consistent pressure, and they're very easy to clean and maintain. One of the things about Gillian that we've designed into it is making it easy to replace filters in the future. That means that plastic threads don't bind up with mineral deposits, and then when you go to unscrew the shower head, it falls apart on you. We have these grips on the back of the shower head, so it's easy to get leverage and to open up the filter. And there you go. Really, the heart of this product is the shower filter, which is a proprietary blend of KDF55 and calcium sulfite. KDF55 is this copper zinc alloy that has this gold coloring in there. And we use genuine KDF. I say genuine because there are knockoff versions of KDF that don't perform the same. We source our KDF directly from the manufacturer, the only one that makes it. And KDF55 removes chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants in the water, while the white balls here are calcium sulfite, and that removes chlorine from the water. Together, two ingredients, two materials that are proven to reduce chlorine and give you better, cleaner water. And inside of the filter, it's packed. This is a large filter cartridge. It's got what we have found to be the most KDF55 on the market from any filter. So that means it filters more effectively, but it also lasts longer. We suggest changing the filter every 3 months to get peak performance out of your filter. So taking a closer look at Gillian, the shower head is 6 inches wide. This we've found to be the Goldilocks zone of shower heads. It provides maximum pressure and coverage. If you go wider than 6 inches, you tend to give up some pressure, but you get more coverage. You go less, you get higher pressure, you get less coverage. So 6 inches is that sweet spot. The shower head has an adjustable pivot ball, so you can adjust it up, or you can adjust it down, or you can just leave it straight out like this. So without further ado, let's run water through it and show you how great the pressure is. So installed here is our 2.5 gallon per minute model, but we also offer it in our California compliant 1.75 gallon per minute model. Both are designed to deliver exceptional pressure because of the way we designed the shower head and the nozzles. You can see it has a nice wide spray pattern that fans out a bit, but really gives you good, strong pressure at the same time. And what makes this really stand out is this is a real fixture. It's not a novelty toy. It's made from solid metal, and it's finished in chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, oil rub bronze, brushed gold, and our HammerHead gray. So whichever finish you need to match your bathroom fixtures, we've got it with Gillian. This is truly one of a kind. It completes a beautiful bathroom remodel, or just if you want to lift up the look of your current shower. Gillian, the metal filtered shower head. I hope you enjoy it. We've put a lot of love, time, and effort into making this truly one of the best products on the market. I'm Justin Ball, founder of HammerHead, signing out for now.